Den tydelige ovale, det er vores søsterø Theresia, og de to andre, der ligger lidt tættere på, de lidt mindre øer, det er altså vores vulkanøer. Den største er Neo Camini, og den mindste er Palea Camini. Og den lille bitte ø, der ligger derude helt for sig selv til højre, det er altså Aspronisi. Nu kører vi ned mod Pyrgos, og det her det vil kun tage cirka 5 minutter, så er vi nede i Pyrgos. Pyrgos, det var hovedstaden under det osmaniske periode. Der var Pyrgos hovedstaden her på øen. Den ligger cirka 350 meter, 350 meter over havet. Og dengang, der var det den rigeste by på hele øen. I Pyrgos, der ligger der et gammelt fort, og et fort på grækisk, det hedder Castelli. Altså et castle. Et castelli, det ligger der her i Pyrgos. Fortet, det blev ødelagt igennem historien, og i dag, der har vi kun nogle ruiner tilbage af fortet. Det her fort, det er et ud af 5 forter, vi har her på øen. Der ligger et mere i Ia, et i Akrotiri, et i Imerovigli og et i Emborio. Så vi har altså i alt 5 forter her på øen. Dengang Pyrgos var hovedstad her på øen, der boede der rigtig mange kaptajner i byen. Man havde problemer med pirater, og derfor så, når piraterne kom, så skulle man gemme kaptajnerne. Man besluttede at gemme de her kaptajner inde i fortet. Derfor så byggede man det her fort helt op på toppen i Pyrgos, så man kunne se ud over hele byen og ud over hele havet og se, hvor de her pirater gik i land. Især se nu. Den røde farve, det er dem, der indeholder meget jern. Og når jernet det kommer i kontakt med oxygen og med damp, så rustner det. Og det er det, der giver den her rødlige farve, som I kan se her til venstre. Har I lyst til at se endnu tydeligere den her meget specielle rødlige farve, så ligger der også Red Beach nede på sydkysten, som er den her strand, der er helt kendt for deres helt røde klipper. Og den kommer vi blandt andet forbi på vores catamaran cruise. På catamaran cruiset, der sejler vi langs sydkysten og ser White Beach, der er kendt for de her helt hvide klipper, og Red Beach, der er kendt for de røde klipper. Og så kommer man også forbi det, de kalder for Black Mountain, altså de helt sorte klipper. Det er en fantastisk tur, hvor man virkelig ser alle de her farver. Og den her tur, den kan vi køre næsten hver dag.
me, do you know if Vera's down there?
Welcome on board. It's called the New Bern because it has been originated about the most recent volcanic eruption. We are talking about eruption that took place less than 100 years ago. So it's a really young island. We have this island now on the right side. Lebanon. Okay. This is Nea Kameni. After a sailing between Nea Kameni and Valia Kameni, we will arrive at the island of Thirassia. Strategic position because we are very lucky because with the boat we can move in the sea in order to have the sun going down directly in front of us. Many people are going to here to enjoy the sunset view. Here is in the north. In this specific point, the water is rich in sulfur and many other volcanic minerals that make the water take a color between red and green, very orange, close to the red one color. So the hot springs, the thermal hot springs, are close to us, and I would like also to make you notice that in Valia Kameni, as well as in two very nice spots where you can take nice pictures as well. Because imagine that all these big volcanic eruptions create spectacular landscape and create also landscape with caves. There are few caves. Imera, that means day. Deglia, that means to watch, to control, to check. Imerobigli actually is the best point to check, was the best point where Venetian were controlling all the fleet coming in and out from the caldera, from the big area of sea where we are now. So, you can recognize Imerobigli because it's built on the highest point. Moving on the right side, after Imerobigli, there is the second village called Pirostefani. Probably you can notice a high tower between all the white houses. This high tower is the bell tower. That is the pole. Santorini and wine are very good, are very famous and popular all over the world. Santorini and wine. ago, 7 brothers left all together to save 2 pigs. But suddenly they were surprised by a big storm and they disappeared. Nobody could find them in the sea. They were looked for them for a long time, but they couldn't be found alive. All the world thought that they were dead, but suddenly they had been found there, all of them alive. That's why they built a church to thank God, to make them alive, let's say, to save them, to rescue them. And that's why there is this small church called the Heptapede, the 7 Holy Young. Now actually we are moving straight to Thirassia, the sister island of Thira. Walking, relax, picture and enjoy the beautiful view. We will depart again from the
Elias!
Oh, yeah.